Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make crunchy, delicious pickled cucumbers. The ingredients are so simple and it's convenient to find at any shop. Before we start, would you please subscribe my channel, share and like. Also follow my Facebook page as well, please. Here is our ingredients. You can scope it to have a look. After that, we prepare our cucumbers. Cucumber, all you have to do, just cut each end out, okay? You have to do it with all of them and then you wash it. You can wash it twice, yeah. And then you have to dry it. If you have the sun, you can dry under the sun. If you have time, you can leave it aside. Or you can use tea towel for a fast drying process. Leave the cucumber aside and now make our pickle sauce. First of all, you need to caramelize the palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can use brown or white. But make sure that you put 1 or 2 tablespoons of water, not to get the sugar burn. You have to stir it until the sugar get brown, and then you pour the water in. Yeah. After you put the water in, you have to stir it a bit to make the caramelized dissolve. And add the salt in. Salt, you can use rock salt or normal salt. And then you put the chicken stock. If you're vegetarian, you can use vegetable stock. And then you stir it a bit, lead it, and bring it to boil. And when it boils, you have to leave at least 1 minute to make the water boil properly. Take the sauce off the stove and leave it aside to cool down. With chili, you can put red or green color. This is from my garden, so I put mixed. All you have to do is just pull out the top part of the chili. With the garlic, I put more because you can eat the garlic as well. All you have to do is just chop the garlic, slide it 2 or 3 pieces. It's up to you. And sometimes you can put it whole as well. Chili and garlic now is done. With the jar, you have to clean it with hot water. You just boil the kettle and then pour the hot water in the jar. You have to use the glass one. By doing that, it makes the jar clean. And when you make the pickle, your pickle remains nice and fresh, not getting fungus. Just pour the water out after you clean. Now it's ready for us to put the cucumber in the jar. So whatever way you put it in, it's up to you. Just make it pack together. Like me, I put in different direction. I either put up and down or top, but I keep squashing it, make sure that it's packed. While you put the cucumber in, you can drop in some chili or garlic in between, or you can put it on top, up to you. I put it in between because it makes the jar looks nice and inviting. Now the cucumber is already done, so all you have to do, you just put the rest of the garlic and chili in. Now let's check our sauce, whether it's ready to put in the jar. You use the fingers to feel it. If it's warm enough or about 80% cool, so you can put it in. So when you pour it in, just do it slowly. And please don't put it too full. And at the end, you have to press down the cucumber and the garlic to make sure that the water is on top of them. Leave the jar open until it cools down. When you feel it cool down completely, you can lid it. For our cucumber, it's ready to eat. How many days? Depend on the weather. Here, with the weather is very cold, so I kept it for 3 nights. Now it's ready because it changed the color. And for the warmer or hotter weather, 2 nights is enough. The crunchiness and the taste so perfect. When I open the jar, the smell it looks so inviting. It's so yummy. Yeah, you can make it yourself. It's so easy. So if you have any question, you can inbox me. I'm sure you can do it by following my instruction. And don't forget to make the grilled fish and steamed fish, whatever fish. It's so beautiful. Okay, it's time to an end now. I want to say goodbye for now. So please keep following my recipe, Satu Lim Cooking. And I hope that you still supporting me. Okay, thank you so much. And I wish you everyone all the best. Thank you.